Hey, I just washed my face and we're gonna do my third TCA CROSS treatment. Okay, ready or not, here we come.
Hey guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of these content, and let's get to the video. So I'm just gonna show you a quick before of the treatment so you can see the difference.
Isn't it crazy that every time you wash your face you can actually see the redness? Like it starts getting red, but like before you wash your face it's just normal, you know? It's kind of weird. If you haven't seen my videos, I'm gonna link them down below so you can watch my first two before you watch this one, and for you to see the difference on the treatments and how it really affected my scars. I think today our main concern is how the scars appear to be wider now. Like my scars over here on this side, the scars here, they look kind of connected. You see what I mean? Like I have some discoloration and stuff and have some fresh pimples.
So you can really see the difference with the skin from the first treatment.
So like they are a lot lifted up, but you can really see the scars getting wider.
If you haven't seen my videos, make sure to watch the previous ones. So let's go ahead and start with the Vaseline. Make sure you put Vaseline on certain areas you don't want the TCA to get onto. Make sure to wear gloves, and this will be the TCA we'll be using. It's a 50%.
We have to do the alcohol.
Never forget to apply alcohol on your face. It just makes sure that the oil and the dirt from your face is properly removed.
We are ready.
So again, I'm just using my barbecue stick for this treatment because we don't have toothpick, or I don't know where the toothpick is. I don't seem to know where it is. Just keep dabbing it on the areas you want it to be on. Focus on the deep areas mostly. We are just gonna be applying the all-in-one snail cream. I love this snail cream. It's crazy, you can see how frosted my face. And again, apply the Vaseline. So this is the first night of the treatment, and you can already see the skin getting purple. It's pretty burnt, very burnt. This is actually, I think, 2 days later. I'm not really sure anymore. I couldn't really keep count. I was working around these times. You can actually see the pink skin underneath. I do think it's because when I sleep, I kind of like rub my face on the pillow. I'm not really sure, but yeah, some of them are already gone by this time. This is, I would say, the 4th or 5th day. Yep, that's pretty scary if you look at it.
Hey guys, so I actually did something really bad. And you're not really supposed to, but because I really had to, it's my face. Today is the 6th. Today is the 6th day of the peel, but because I started my job yesterday, I had to cover my face with some foundation and it was pretty bad. Of course, I wouldn't have done that if it wasn't necessary. At my job, we take pictures for your ID. I thought I was gonna do that yesterday, and I didn't have to do that. I feel really bad for my skin. It's my first day, and I look so crazy. Like, I put so much foundation, and my face was just so cakey and dry, and it was terrible. I just really had the most exhausting day. So on top of that, my face was not agreeing with anything that I'm doing at the moment. But today, we're just gonna leave our face like this up until it heals on its own. I'm just gonna be wearing my mask, and I'm not gonna remove it until I'm eating at work. It is 6:05 in the morning. So this is the 7th day of the peel, and finally I am seeing the redness going down. I told you guys about what I did, and honestly, just one of those things you will always regret, you know? It's getting a lot better now. I just gotta wait a few more days and keep doing my moisturizing and all that. So this part of my face, if you can see, the scars have gotten a lot bigger. We will see on these marks with the deepest treatments, when it fully heals, how much change there really was. So far it looks like this.
This is, I believe, the 8th or 9th day. I can't really remember anymore. But the pink has definitely gotten a lot better. And how red the marks would be, they would fade during the day. Yeah, so just make sure to moisturize your face whenever you do your TCA. Make sure you are super moisturized. That is the most important thing, because actually soaking your face with moisturizer, Vaseline, anything you can find that will help moisturize your face will speed up the healing process and speed up the peeling process. So this is actually just how red it gets from time to time.
Alright, first off, I want to thank you guys for watching this video and for supporting my channel, for watching all my other videos, for watching my journey. And for all of you who aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. This will really help out a lot of people if this message goes out to everyone dealing with the same problem as ours. The same problem that we have. So it has been 3 weeks since I did my TCA cross, and I just want to apologize to everyone who's been waiting for this session, because it's a lot. I didn't think it was good for me to show a before and after when the after looks kind of worse than the before, because of how it's not good to differentiate how the treatment is going and how effective it is. And if you see this red spot right here, if you see this red spot, that has been there. It won't go away, and it would be even brighter, like a bright red, when I wash my face and when I get out of the shower. So I started emailing my doctor for help me with what kind of prescription I need. The prescription I have, the hydroquinone, is almost out, and she forwarded my photos to a dermatologist, and they did not recommend using the hydroquinone. I think it is because of the prolonged use of the cream. I have no idea. My doctor just said that the dermatologist did not recommend hydroquinone, and she couldn't really do anything much because I got my prescription from the clinic. I just could not go for another treatment in that place. So then I contacted this TCA company because they're selling a melanin inhibitor called Fade Bright. I was just on the verge of giving up. I was just really scared. I know that this is not the worst thing. I have had worse stuff happen to my face, and this is nothing compared to that. And I know I'm not supposed to be scared, but I am just scared that I am doing all of this for nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah, I was just really worried and asking a lot of questions because of how red the spots would be. And she just recommended me to use hydrocortisone. Well, after 3 to 4 weeks of my treatment, to just balance it all out and even out the skin. So I'm just gonna answer some questions real quick. Do I rinse my face and or soap my face after applying TCA? I don't. So this is one thing that a lot of people did not know, and I didn't myself either. After after a few minutes, the TCA is on your face, it stops working. The magic stops after a few minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, it stops. And I didn't know that. I thought that if I left the TCA on my face, it would just keep burning layers. It doesn't work that way. So that is also one of the reasons why a lot of people don't talk about how long they keep the TCA treatment on their face for. It's because it really depends on you and how you can handle the burning feeling. Once the TCA touches your face, once it gets on your face, that's it. It's burnt. I don't wash my face. I just pat my face with wet towel just to neutralize the burn feeling. But yeah, I don't wash my face. That's why you wash your face prior to your peel. So even if you don't need to wash your face, it's already clean. You can just put your moisturizer on and then be done. Do I use numbing cream? I don't use numbing cream. I prefer to feel the burning feeling because I know when to stop. I know when I can't handle it anymore. If I use a numbing cream, I can just keep putting layers and layers and I wouldn't know, you know. I am too scared to like not be able to wait, pause, stop. This is it. This is the last layer your skin can handle. I would prefer not to use numbing cream. But if you're gonna do peels, if you're gonna do a whole face peel, then it's really up to you. Everything is up to you. Everything is up to what your skin can handle, up to what your tolerance is. I am talking to you guys about how long this healing process was for this session. What I realized is I probably did not let my skin heal enough to do another session. That's probably why my skin is still red after 3 weeks of the peel. It's never been this way. I'm gonna take a break from the TCA peel and cross. I know that's not what you want to hear, but I am gonna take a break for about 2 to 3 months. I'm not really sure. It depends on how my skin will progress in the coming weeks. I just don't want to overwhelm my skin with how many treatments I've been doing the past few months. The treatment has been working. It's been working really well, but when it comes to the healing process, it's taking way too long than the previous ones. It's just making me think that I overdid it this time. But I'm still gonna be doing my microneedling every week just to see how the difference is from my first TCA peel to my third one, or the most recent one, to really see the difference, how well it's been going on for my scars and my face. I will link everything down below, don't worry. For the products that I've been using, it's still the same thing. We have the Neutrogena. So this is SPF 70 plus. So this is actually very good and effective. It does not break me out. It doesn't leave a white cast. Next is we have the MIZON all-in-one snail cream. This is just my go-to rescue for my face. You know, I want an extra oomph on my face. I use that all the time. And this is my baby. Everyone knows this. If you've been watching my videos, you know that this is my baby. If I leave it on my face all night, I just wake up moist. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something and I hope you can teach me something. If you have any questions, suggestions, any advice, feel free to comment down below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Hopefully without all this without all this situation going on. Okay, bye. Where's my mirror? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about the... I forgot my line. Cut! Oh, God.